Oh, well.
Here we have the extra 300.
330L.
330L. Eric, any last words before you crash this airplane again?
Nope.
All right, now where's the zoom on this thing?
That's okay. You don't have to. It's on the top, but you don't have to zoom it or anything.
Okay.
Recording, right?
Yeah. I think it's recording.
Yeah, should be.
Start with that R.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. Okay.
Oh, here's the zoom right here. That's it. Or no, that's not it. Oh, there it is. I got it.
You don't have to zoom it.
Okay.
Doesn't seem to be.
Holy shit! Is that it? Oh my god! Is that a new battery? Because that thing is a lot faster.
It's coming towards us.
Nice. And it's almost gone. I don't know where it is. There it is.
It's not an easy plane to fly, that's for sure.
That is a sweet airplane, huh? Oh, you lost me. There it is.
Corkscrew.
Nice. 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 See if you could fly it right at us. Nice. Oh my god, was that a mistake?
Yes.
Holy shit! Nice save, by the way. That was a nice.
That was not on purpose at all. Let's see if we can fly it right
Eric, come on, we need to comment on that one. That was pretty nasty.
That was a mistake. The hospitals are full of them.
That was great.
Let's see if you can fly it right at us and try to kill us. Oh, there you go.
I don't know where it went. There it is.
That was funny, huh?
That was too funny. That was a nice save. That was like, what, 2 inches off the ground?
Oh my god.
Nice, nice. Nice one. Wow, that thing is up there, huh?
Slightly, huh? It's just like so quick, you know?
It is. It's incredible. Wow. Is it still pretty hard to land that thing, or?
Very.
Wow.
Oh, over she
Nice
goes!
Job, nice job, Chris Lynn. Good job, man. That was
Not
awesome.
bad.
That was really good. I still can't believe